Once upon a time in the vast and magical underwater kingdom of Oceania, there lived a beautiful little baby mermaid. She had a shimmering turquoise tail, bright emerald eyes, and hair like spun seaweed. Her name was Coral, and she couldn't wait to start her very first swimming lesson with her idol, the majestic Princess Mermaid. One sunny morning, Coral put on her favorite seashell bra and skirt and rushed to the princess's royal grotto. It was a beautiful coral structure adorned with pearls and starfish. As she approached the grotto, she could hear the gentle sound of running water and the soft laughter of mermaids. Taking a deep breath, she knocked on the door with her tail. "Come in," said a lovely voice. The door opened and there she saw the most beautiful mermaid she had ever seen. She had a flowing lavender tail, a kind smile, and a crown of pearls on her head. "You must be Coral," she said warmly. "I've heard so much about you." Coral blushed and nodded shyly. And that's how Baby Mermaid's very first swimming lesson began. Princess Mermaid was not only beautiful, but also very patient and encouraging. She knew just how to make Coral feel at ease. First, they practiced the basic mermaid swimming strokes. Princess Mermaid taught Coral how to use her tail to propel herself through the water and how to keep her upper body streamlined. At first, Coral's movements were a bit clumsy, but she was determined to learn. As the lesson went on, Coral became more and more confident. She learned how to turn smoothly and gracefully and how to maintain her balance. The underwater kingdom was full of wonder and adventure. As Coral practiced her swimming strokes, she marveled at the colorful coral reefs and the playful sea creatures around her. She saw clownfish darting between the anemones, a wise old sea turtle swimming past, and a school of silver fish shimmering in the sunlight. The underwater world was truly magical, and Coral couldn't wait to explore more of it. After an hour of practice, Coral was tired but exhilarated. She had come a long way since her first awkward strokes, and she couldn't wait to show off her new skills. But Princess Mermaid had one more surprise in store for her. "Now it's time for some friendly competition," she said with a twinkle in her eye. Coral's heart skipped a beat. She loved to compete and win. Every week there was a friendly race among the mermaids of the royal court. This week it was going to be a relay race, and Coral was going to be on Team Aqua. The other team, Team Coral, consisted of some of the fastest mermaids in the kingdom. They were led by a sleek and stylish mermaid named Marina. Marina had a fiery red tail and a competitive spirit. She was known for her lightning-fast speed, and she wasn't afraid to show off. The race began with a bang, and the mermaids shot off like arrows. The first leg of the race was all about speed and power. Marina took the lead, her tail cutting through the water with ease, but Coral was determined to catch up. She kicked her tail into high gear and surged forward. She could hear the cheers of the crowd ringing in her ears. As Coral approached the first buoy, she made a crucial mistake. She slowed down to make sure she didn't pass it, but this gave Marina a chance to pull ahead. Coral knew she had to make up for this error quickly. With a burst of speed, she overtook Marina and headed towards the second buoy. The second leg of the race was all about agility and grace. The mermaids had to navigate through a field of swaying kelp forest without touching the fronds. It was a tricky course, but Coral was up for the challenge. She twisted and turned, dodging the kelp with ease. She could see Marina struggling to keep up. As Coral approached the final buoy, she could hear the roar of the crowd. The finish line was in sight, and she was neck and neck with Marina. With a final burst of speed, Coral crossed the line, her heart pounding in her chest. She had done it. Team Aqua had won the relay race. The mermaids from both teams gathered together to congratulate each other. Marina extended a fin to Coral, a grudging smile on her face. "Good race," she said. "You really put up a fight." Coral blushed and thanked her. She felt a sense of camaraderie with Marina. Even though they were rivals on the race course, they were also friends. As the celebration continued, Coral couldn't help but feel a sense of pride. She had learned so much during her first swimming lesson. Not only had she improved her swimming skills, but she had also discovered a new strength and confidence within herself. The next day, Coral couldn't wait to tell her parents about her swimming lesson and the relay race. She raced through the coral reef, her tail swishing behind her. "Mom, Dad, I have something to tell you," she exclaimed as they entered their cozy cave home. Her parents, King Triton and Queen Amphitrite, had a worried look on their faces. "What's wrong, Coral?" asked her father, his voice filled with concern. "Did you have a bad day at your lesson?" Coral shook her head and smiled. No, it was the best day ever," she said, her eyes sparkling with excitement. She told them all about Princess Mermaid, the royal grotto, and the amazing things she had learned. She described the feeling of gliding through the water, the beauty of the underwater kingdom, and the thrill of the relay race. As she spoke, her parents' faces lit up with pride and joy. King Triton and Queen Amphitrite had always encouraged their daughter to follow her dreams and pursue her passions. They knew that she was a brave and determined mermaid, and they were proud of the progress she had made in her first swimming lesson. "We're so glad you're enjoying your swimming lessons, Coral," said her mother, her voice filled with warmth. "Keep up the good work and never give up." Coral hugged her parents, feeling their love and support. She knew that they were always there for her, no matter what challenges she faced. With their blessing and encouragement, Coral was ready to take on her next swimming lesson with even more enthusiasm and determination. As she swam towards the royal grotto, she couldn't wait to learn more from Princess Mermaid and improve her swimming skills. And that is the story of Baby Mermaid's first swimming lesson. Now it's time for you to make a splash and learn something new. What will you practice today? Will you try a new sport or learn a new language? Remember, just like Coral, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Be brave, be curious, and never give up. And if you enjoyed this magical underwater adventure, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel Hanum Cartoon. We have so many more exciting stories to share with you, including more adventures of Princess Mermaid and Coral. So join our family here at Hanum Cartoons and let the magic begin. Here's a little secret. We're almost at 2 million subscribers. Wow! Thank you so much for watching our cartoons. We're so happy you like our stories. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our new cartoons. We know you'll love these stories too, so dive in and make a splash. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below. Which character is your favorite? We can't wait to hear who you want to see next. And if you're looking for more fun, be sure to check out our other videos. We have so many more magical stories to share with you. Just click on the video and get ready for an adventure. Thank you for joining us on this magical journey. We hope you're having a wonderful day filled with sunshine and laughter. Remember to stay curious and keep exploring the world around you. There's so much to discover, and you never know what adventures await you. So keep an open mind, a playful heart, and a thirst for knowledge. And who knows, maybe one day you'll find yourself on your own magical quest. Until then, keep dreaming big and make every day an adventure. And if you enjoyed this magical underwater adventure, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We have so many more exciting stories to share with you, including more adventures of Princess Mermaid and Coral. So join our family here at Hanum Cartoons and let the magic begin.